welcome to a new video. Today we're making a Christmas tree soap and we are going to use Frosted Fear fragrance oil from Bramble. This fragrance behaves beautifully. I've used it in the past. I love it. It's very strong. Just a little goes a long way. We are going to be decorating our soap with some melt and pour stars, some sprinkles, and for the colors we're going to use Mud Mica, Snake Island, and Mint Julep. What I did was I mixed these two together to get the green that I wanted, because this one's too dark, this one was too light for my liking, so I mixed the two and I have a really pretty color. We're also using Snow White for Mud Micas. I am doing an experiment with this because I always use titanium dioxide, but today I wanted to try to use white mica to see how it turns out. Today I'm soaping at 110 and I am super excited because I'm using my wax melter from Nova. It is a wax melter, but I bought it to melt my hard oils, and I have all my oils in there already mixed, and the wax melter, it's very good at keeping the oils at the right temperature, so that's gonna save me a lot of time when heating up my oils. So I just turn it on, leave it there, and put the light water, and then I just don't need to be in the stove, you know, and trying to get the right temperature for both things. It was a breeze to set up and to use. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. It's a referral link, which means that if you buy from them, from clicking that link, I'm gonna get a small commission at no cost to you, and that of course helps my channel to grow and of course help my family business. Also, there's a coupon code over there, 20% off coupon code if you decide to buy it. For now, it's behaving great. I'm in love with it already. It comes in white and pink. Of course, I chose the pink, but it's a very nice melter. And of course, you can use it for wax as well. I'm going to add my Colin clay and color the oatmeal as always. I don't know what my sifter is, so I'm gonna do it directly and hope for the best. Alright, and while I add the lye, I just want to take a moment and say thank you guys for being here with me, sharing my soap making journey. I'm reaching 4,000 subscribers already, and I just made a giveaway for 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive notifications of new videos. I try to post every week. It seems impossible sometimes, but I'm doing my best so you guys have more content to watch from me. So I'm just gonna mix this to emulsion, which means the oils and the lye water are mixed together, but we don't achieve trace. And this is to prevent my batter to accelerate, because I soap at 110, which is today, because I always soap at 120. This will prevent, you know, major problems with acceleration and stuff like that. All right, and we are at the right consistency here. And I am going to divide my batter because we're going to do two colors and we're going to do a hanger swirl. So I'm just gonna eyeball the amount. And I want it to be more white than green, so okay, so I'm gonna add white to this portion and then I'm gonna add green to this portion. I think I have too much green, so I'm gonna just put it right back. Let me guys know what are you up to this Christmas. I didn't want it to make like a lot of seasonal items, because for Halloween I made some bath bombs and I didn't sell them all, and then, you know, people expect for things that are out of season to be on sale. Of course we all do, but being a handmade business, that's just, you know, it's a little bit hard to do discounts on our stuff that are already, you know, maybe not making a lot of money. So what I decided to do was, instead of making a lot of seasonal items, I was just gonna kind of make gift boxes. And that way, you know, gift boxes with the items I already have. And that way, if they don't sell, then I can just, you know, you don't have to sell them at a discounted price. But this soap last year did very well, so I just decided to do it again. Sales this year haven't been as last year. I've noticed people are not spending as much as last year. I know economy, it's brutal right now. It's so hard to keep up with everything, and I understand. It's just if you have the opportunity to buy small this year, do it. You'll be helping a lot of people, a lot of small businesses, and you know, it's so rewarding to spend maybe 200 bucks buying from someone local than to spending it in Target or these huge companies. All right, so we are ready. It's pretty white. It's not white enough, but I'm not sure if micas works as titanium dioxide, that they lighten up once they cure. So I'm gonna just do it like this and see what we get. So we're going to add the majority of the fragrance oil here, and in case you're wondering, we have 1 ounce here because I already used once. And this is for 2 pounds of oil. Okay, so we're going to mix. I'm gonna use this mold today. I've made some lines, so we have some guidance. And remember that all of the things that I use in my videos are linked in the description box, including these little molds. So I wanted to address something really quickly. The recipe that I use is from Bramble. I started using their recipe, and then I tweak it a little with the soap caulk and I add my own ingredients to it, but I started with that recipe, and I always link it in my videos in the description box. So if you are a beginner and you need a recipe, please feel free to go there and check Brambleberry's recipes out. They are amazing. And I started making soap watching Soap Queen TV, which is Brambleberry now, and you can start from there. I do not share my exact recipe, but I do offer, you know, that link where you can get a really nice recipe. I want to start by putting the whites. Like so. And then I'm gonna pour a little bit of the green, going back and forth. What is your favorite technique? Let me know in the comments. Do you like to do swirls a lot, or do you like to do layers, use scrapers? I think this is the best part of soap making, when you get to be creative and try all these different techniques. I really enjoy mixing all the colors and trying to figure it out how to design, you know. I'm just going from the fragrance oil and seeing how can I represent the fragrance oil and the soap. Alright, so this one's going to be tall and pretty. So I'm going to add all the batter. We still have some white here remaining, so we're gonna add it. I think from all the techniques, this is the most exciting one. Because then when you cut it, it's magical. You can see all the swirls inside. It's like a surprise. I love it. Right, so we're gonna do the hanger swirl. I like to go down and then kind of like do circles until I get to the top, and down again, then same thing on the other half, and then kind of like a big one. Just go crazy, like Bob Ross says. Go crazy. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside. So right now our butter is really fluid, so you can see. So I am just going to wait a couple minutes for the batter to get a little bit thicker so we can texture the top. Okay everyone, it's been a couple, I think like 10 minutes, and as you can see we move it and it doesn't wiggle, so it is perfect texture. And you're just going to make kind of like little mountains like so. So creamy. There's something about brambleberries fragrance oils that I love. You can feel the quality. Okay, so I have to make bigger mountains. Bigger. Okay, let's do that again from this side. And the top, I decided I'm gonna put some glitter maybe, because why not, right? So we're also using some glitter. All right. I think it looks super pretty. Okay, so we're gonna use the sprinkles first. And these are red, white, and green sprinkles. Look at that. Looks so festive. So hard to do this with gloves. See, they're going everywhere. All right, let's do it like this. I just like to do it with my hands. I feel like I have more control. Like this, I feel like the sprinkles go all in one place. I took a medication, as you can see. I'm shaking a little bit, and it's hard. Okay, it's looking good. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, I have a heart condition, and my heart rate will go up for no reason and very high. Sometimes that's why I'm shaky too. But I'm okay, don't worry, I'm strong. Alright, I think this area needs more red. There you go. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I am in love. I was gonna add some of these, but as you can see, it already has like some white. So now we're going to add the glitter. I'm sorry. We're gonna use brush. And this glitter, I bought it ages ago. It's makeup cosmetic glitter for eyeshadows, and it's so pretty. Beautiful. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments. Every time you comment in my videos, I get so excited. Sometimes it gets me some time to answer to all of you, It's not that I'm ignoring you or anything. It's just that sometimes it's just too much to handle and I cannot answer your comments right away, but I do read them and send you good vibes always when I read them. And that also helps a lot if you comment on a video and if you hit like. That's really helpful because the algorithm will say, hey, people are liking this video because they're commenting, they're liking it, and it will give us more exposure. So every time you watch a video for any YouTuber, think of that and consider liking, subscribing, and all of that. Alright, so now my favorite part. Okay, let me just think right away. Okay, so because these lines, I don't know, are kind of weird. I don't think they're accurate with the cut, but let's just do this. Okay, one here. Shaky Yanni. Oh my goodness. It's kind of buried in the soap. So let me just try to not do that too much. All right, there. Also, I did a live a couple weeks ago and it was so much fun talking to you while I make the soap. Are you guys into that kind of stuff, like the lives and stuff? I was considering like announcing it because I went live, like I thought of it and I just went live. I didn't announce it or anything. So I guess if I announce it, you guys have time, you know, to watch it. And it was super late also. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in live videos. We can chat, can grab a glass of wine or tea while watching this and talking to me. All right. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute, you guys. Let me show you. Like that. Little Christmas trees. I can't wait to cut this one. Can't wait. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. I am going to let this cure for 24 hours and then I'm going to show you the cut.